System of equations, part 2. So today we're going to talk about system of equations and their graphs. So if you look at your notes from last week, part 2 has 3 graphs on it. The first graph, you notice, intersects at 1 point. Since it intersects, we know that this graph is perpendicular. So I'm going to write that down, perpendicular. And the point where this graph crosses each other, so right here, is the solution. So I'm going to write that off to the side. So this is the solution, the answer. So our answer for this problem is 3, negative 2. 3, negative 2. So this is a graph that only has one solution. Okay, let's look at the second graph. The second graph has 2 lines that never cross. So remember, 2 lines that never cross, we said were parallel. And since they never cross each other, we're never able to get a point like we did on the first graph. So this is a no solution graph. No solution. And then lastly, graph 3, notice that it is 2 different lines. We have one line that's red, that's y equals 2x plus 1, and another line that's right on top of it that's blue that says negative 4x plus 2y equals 2. Since they are directly on top of each other, this is called an infinite solution. Infinite solution. Because no matter where we look on this line, they are crossing. See, it crosses here, 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 here. There's so many points where these 2 lines overlap each other, where instead of naming every single solution, we just say that it's infinite. This is an infinite amount of solutions. Okay, so this is what they look like on a graph. So in order to get these images on our calculators, we're going to test out a problem together. That problem is going to be using the equations y equals 2x plus 5 and y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. So we're going to be using these 2 equations and we're going to find the solution with graphing. So on our calculator, we're going to go to the graphing part, and then we're going to type in these 2 equations, and I'm going to show you guys how to find the solution if there is a solution. So make sure you guys have your calculators out.